Tesla is a bulldozer. We closed at $436.23, up 18 bucks. That's a bit more than 4% up. Post market, yes, we are down a little bit. Let's take a look at what this means on the chart. The chart is giving us a lot of context. We are still into a nice bullish channel. This is the channel right here. We started on this side of the channel, September 11th, went to the other side. When was it? October 24th. And we've been zigzagging all the time. We had the buy signal right here at 360.35. We had another one right here at 273.79. You can look at my previous video. We have another yellow candle right here. So we've been getting buy signals along the way, and this one right here is just continuing. And yes, even the break at 415.50 is a buy signal in itself. But this one was a little bit more iffy because we are so close to this bullish channel resistance that this one is a little bit more risky. But yeah, look at this. We are continuing on this bullish channel. At the same time, we have a previous support we had in 2023. If we extend it, this is where we stop. This is where we stop Wednesday, yesterday, and today we are just breaking through. So this is why I'm saying Tesla is a bulldozer. I thought that this resistance could maybe stop us, but we have not stopped yet. Next stop is going to be 450. We are going to see if we start going to the other side of the bullish channel on the support side. But Tesla is really strong. What can I say? Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day, we started moving up. First hour of the day. We paused a little bit on that support, the resistance I was talking about for 2 hours, and then we just continued on. Very strong Tesla stock. And on the 1 hour chart, we don't have an overbought RSI even. The move that we are seeing right here is not even an overextension of the current move. We are above the 21-day moving average. We are still into this very tight bullish channel. We are respecting it very nicely. So when we are going to start to break outside right here, then we can maybe start to think about taking profit. Also, right now, we had basically a stop loss at 415.50. This is what we broke recently and retested. The stop loss at 450 is starting to look quite far away. If we start touching the 21-day moving average, then you can start thinking on the 1 hour chart to take some profits. So far, we need to let this winner ride. This is pretty impressive. Let's take a look at the VIX to see how the rest of the market is faring. VIX is coming down. So we have a green candle today. It means that we closed higher than where we opened, but still overall, we are still coming down. This was the high on Wednesday, and this is the high today, and the same for the low. We are still coming down with the VIX. This is helping the stock market as a whole. The bonds, this is a little bit of a concern. So bonds are back to our downward resistance. Are we going to break this? If we start breaking this, then maybe we are going to have a weakening in the stock market. We need to check this out next week. Dow Jones is continuing. It seems like we are going to go back to 43,339. We are going through the 21-day moving average. So industrial average, this is pretty weak. We still are into this bullish channel, so it's not too bad yet. S&P 500 maintaining itself quite well. And Nasdaq, we closed higher today. So Nasdaq is on a tear. Yesterday also, we had a little bit more inflation. The PPI, the producer prime inflation month over month, we have an increase. We thought we were going to be at 0.2. The forecast was at 0.3 and we had 0.4. This was a little bit a bad news. So maybe this is what made Tesla pause yesterday, but today we are continuing like nothing happened. Let's just enjoy this. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We're going to talk on Monday unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday, where I do a Tesla Weekly Live, where we actually take a look at all of the other stocks that I used to take a look at every single day. Now I look at them on a weekly basis, but I give out the buy alerts I see during the week also. I'm talking about Apple, Amazon, AMD, Adobe, ARM, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Palantir, SMCI, SoFi, HIMS, Ionic, MicroStrategy, BYD. I have approximately 30 stocks that we are following. So even if Tesla starts to go down, we have other stocks that we can trade or invest in. You get the buy alerts with the membership tier called buy alerts, and also as part of the community membership, where you get access to a Discord server, a private Discord server. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.